Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Fine? Okay. Now continuation of in atomic structure, first part. So before class I given some numericals. So Planck quantum theory and Einstein theory, E equal to h nu, like that. The problems I finished. So remaining problems in next class complete the concept. So next concept today. Compton effect. Just definition. What is meant by Compton effect? Compton effect means Compton effect. The increase in wavelength, or decrease in energy. The increase in wavelength or decrease in energy of X-rays after scattering from an object is called Compton effect. So once again, Compton effect means the increase in wavelength or decrease in energy of X-rays after scattering from an object is known as Compton effect. So Compton effect definition: the increase in wavelength or decrease in energy of X-rays after scattering from an object is called Compton effect. The increase in wavelength or decrease in energy of X-rays after scattering from an object is called Compton effect. So the increase in wavelength or decrease in, wavelength is inversely proportional to energy. Energy increases means wavelength decreases. So the increase in wavelength or decrease in energy of X-rays after scattering from an object is called Compton effect. So write down definition. Compton effect. Next, very important. Problems also important. Photoelectric effect. My dear students, problems also very important. I will give problems. First, I will explain concept. Okay, Compton effect and photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Generally, when a light fall on metal surface, clean metal surface, when a light fall on clean metal surface, the electrons are emitted or ejected. Emitted means released. The electrons are emitted or ejected. So this phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. So when a light fall on a clean metal surface, the electrons are ejected or emitted. Emitted means released. This phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals. Alkali metals means potassium, rubidium and cesium. In photoelectric effect, the emitted electrons are called ejected electrons. The emitted electrons are known as, the ejected electrons are called emitted electrons, or emitted electrons are called ejected electrons. Okay. So in photoelectric effect, the minimum level frequency is required. So the amount in photoelectric effect, ejection of electrons to minimum frequency is required, that is known as threshold frequency. So in photoelectric effect, the minimum energy is required to ejected electrons is known as threshold energy or work function. Threshold energy another name is work function. So once again, photoelectric effect means when a light fall on clean metal surface, the electrons are released, the electrons are emitted. These electrons are called emitted electron. This process is known as photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals like potassium, rubidium and cesium. So write down definition. Photoelectric effect. When light fall on a clean metal surface, when light fall on a clean metal surface, the electrons are emitted. The electrons are emitted. This phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. When a light fall on a clean metal surface, the electrons are emitted. This phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. The emitted electrons are called ejected electrons, or photoelectrons. Simply here is there. So these are clean metal surface. So these are light. So electrons are emitted. So these are photoelectrons. These are metal surface. Okay. So these are photoelectric effect. Photoelectrons. So metal surface. Okay. So when a light fall on clean metal surface, the electrons are released. These electrons are called photoelectrons. So photoelectrons are another name is ejected electrons or emitted electrons. So these are photoelectric effect. So when light fall on a clean metal surface, the electrons are emitted. This phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. The emitted electrons are called ejected electrons or photoelectrons. Ejected electrons are another name is photoelectrons. Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals. This effect is photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals. You know alkali metals? First group elements. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Not all metals, main metals. Potassium, rubidium and cesium exhibited this type of effect. Write down. Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals like potassium, rubidium and cesium. So write down this point. Not all metals, potassium, rubidium, cesium. This metal surface, when a light fall on, immediately electrons are ejected. The ejected electrons are called photoelectrons. Okay? Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium. So these are a photoelectric effect. And another one is photoelectric effect, to eject the electrons, in photoelectric effect to eject the electrons, minimum frequency is required, that is known as threshold frequency. In photoelectric effect, in photoelectric effect, to eject the electrons, to eject the electron, minimum frequency required, minimum in photoelectric effect to eject the electrons, minimum frequency required, it is known as threshold frequency. It is denoted by symbol nu naught. Nu means frequency, nu naught means threshold frequency. Threshold frequency symbol nu naught. In photoelectric effect to eject the electrons, the minimum frequency required, it is known as threshold frequency. Simply photoelectric effect, I will give one equation. In photoelectric effect, simply formula E equal to H nu plus Ka. Ka means kinetic energy, or simply E equal to W plus Ka, or simply H nu naught means Ka. Ka means kinetic energy. So H nu equal to H nu naught plus Ka. Ka means kinetic energy. So Ka means kinetic energy. H nu naught means work function, that equal to W also. Work function. Nu naught means threshold frequency. H means Planck constant, you know. Okay, simply I am writing H nu equal to W plus Ka. Here W means work function. This is a simple formula. Or finally next equation, photoelectric equation, E equal to W plus Ka. W means work function, E equal to H nu. Or finally write down another equation, simply H nu plus W plus Ka, or H nu equal to H nu naught plus Ka. Finally Ka equal to H nu minus H nu naught. So these are another kinetic energy. Or another equation, simply kinetic energy K equal to H C by lambda, Hc by lambda minus Hc by lambda naught. So these are another one. All are okay. So these are W means work function. What is meant by work function or threshold energy? Work function and the name is threshold energy. What is meant by work function? In photoelectric effect, to eject the electron, minimum energy is required. In photoelectric effect, so in photoelectric effect, the minimum energy is required to eject the electrons. The energy is known as threshold energy or work function. Work function and the name is threshold energy. In photoelectric effect, the minimum energy required to eject the electron. The energy is known as the minimum energy required to eject the electron. The energy is known as threshold energy or work function. So write down that point. So anyway, simply kinetic energy K equal to H nu minus H nu naught. Okay, these are simply another K equal to H into nu naught, nu minus nu naught. So there H means Planck's constant. H means Planck constant. That is a photoelectric effect. So what is meant by threshold energy? Threshold energy another name is work function. Work function W equal to H nu. So work function W equal to work function. So work function that equal work function. So W equal to H nu naught. Work function another name is threshold energy. Threshold energy. What is meant by work function? Work function means in a photoelectric effect, minimum energy is required to eject the electrons is known as, the energy is called threshold energy or work function. In a photoelectric effect, minimum energy required. Minimum energy required to eject the electron. It is known as threshold energy or work function. Threshold energy or work function. Am I correct? Simply, in photoelectric effect, minimum energy required to eject the electrons. It is known as threshold energy or work function. Threshold energy or work function, it is denoted by the symbol W, or W equal to H nu naught. Here nu naught means threshold frequency. So these are photoelectric effect, one of the concept of formula. After that, generally kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. So the kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. Simply write down. So generally kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Kinetic energy, K means kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on the frequency of intensity of incident of light. So kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. Kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. So kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. So intensity of light means, before we want generally intensity, but not intensity of light. So intensity means power. Intensity means power transferred. Intensity means power transferred per unit area. And in a photoelectric effect, number of protons means ejected. So number of photoelectric. So in a photoelectric effect, so generally in a photoelectric effect, number of photoelectrons depends on is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. In a photoelectric effect, number of photoelectrons is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. So write down that point. So in photoelectric effect, number of number of photoelectrons. In photoelectric effect, number of photoelectrons is proportional to in photoelectric effect, number of photoelectrons is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. Intensity of incident light. Generally, incident light means number of protons. So number of photons falling on one unit area per number. So generally, incident light means number of photoelectrons falling on one unit area in unit time. So that is incident light. So write down incident light is the number of photoelectrons on falling on one unit area in unit time. So simply incident light. So simply incident light means intensity of light. So write down that point. Intensity of write down that point. So incident on the right. Intensity of light is the number of photoelectrons falling on one unit area in one unit time. That is a intensity of light. Okay. General intensity of light by I equal to number of photons by A into T. A means one unit area and T means per time. So that is okay. So intensity of light is the number of photons falling on one unit area in one unit time. So that is intensity of light. Okay, write down. Next another one is in photoelectric effect. Write down that point. So photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals. Generally alkali metals means potassium, rubidium, lithium, cesium, like that. Intensity is the power transferred. Intensity is the power transferred per unit area. Anyway, intensity is the power transferred per unit area. Okay. Anyway, so these are photoelectric effect. My dear students, simply very easy. Photoelectric effect means when a light fall on clean metal surface, electrons are ejected or released. This type of electrons are called photoelectron. This effect is known as photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is readily exhibited by alkali metals, rubidium, cesium and potassium also. So in photoelectric effect, minimum energy is required, that is known as, to eject the electron, the energy is known as threshold energy or work function. Okay, next. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on the frequency of intensity of light. Frequency of incident light, but not intensity of light. So generally, number of photoelectrons is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. So intensity of incident light. Intensity is the power of transferred per unit area. So that is a photoelectric effect. And another one is here at a frequency. And another simply here kinetic energy. Here kinetic energy and intensity. At a frequency nu is greater than to nu naught, photoelectric effect is observed. Photoelectric effect is observed. Suppose if nu less than to nu naught, no ejected electrons, no ejected electrons. And another one is if nu equal to nu naught. If nu equal to nu naught, then K equal to 0. K equal to 0 means kinetic energy 0. So that is a photoelectric effect. Simply photoelectric effect H. So simply final formula. Therefore final formula in photoelectric effect simply H nu equal to W plus Ka. W means work done. Finally H nu equal to H nu naught plus Ka, or K equal to H nu naught. Simply K equal to H into nu naught nu minus. So these are all different types of formulas. Here what W means work function. Here W means work function. W equal to H nu naught. W equal to work function. Nu naught means threshold frequency. Okay, my dear students, don't forget remembering this formula. Simply photoelectric effect of H nu equal to W plus Ka. W means work function. Simply H nu equal to H nu naught plus Ka. Finally Ka means kinetic energy. Here kinetic energy K equal to H nu naught minus H nu minus H nu naught. Here H nu naught means work function or W, nu naught means threshold frequency. And another point is, for a metal there is a characteristics of frequency, that is known as threshold frequency. So for a metal characteristic of a frequency, it is known as threshold frequency. Or in photoelectric effect, to eject the electrons, minimum frequency is required. The frequency is known as threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is denoted by symbol nu naught. Anyway, final equation. So photoelectric effect H nu equal to H nu naught plus Ka. Ka means kinetic energy. So these are photoelectric effect concept. Okay. Now I will give some problems. So numericals. Write down numericals, students. You write down numerical sum photoelectric effect. Numerical sum photoelectric effect. Write down first. Having books, notes, okay, write down. Write down. The threshold frequency for the threshold frequency for a metal is 7.0 into 10 to the power of 14 second inverse. What is the kinetic energy of an electron emitted then when radiation of frequency 1 into 10 to the power of 15 second inverse. It's the metal. They given 4 options. First option 1.988 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules. 1.988 into 10 to the power of 19 joules. 3.988 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. 1.988 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. So which option correct? In this case, the threshold frequency for metal is 7 into 10 to the power of 14 second inverse. What is the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of frequency 1 into 10 to the power of 10? Here it's metal. Here we are applying formula H equal to W plus KE. The threshold frequency for metal given simply H nu equal to H nu naught plus KE. They asked what is the kinetic energy of an electron emitted? Its radiation of frequency is given. Here nu naught given. Threshold frequency given. Nu naught given. Nu naught how much? 7 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Nu given 1 into 10 to the power of 15. They asked kinetic energy. So simply we know kinetic energy K equal to H nu naught, H nu minus H nu naught. In this case, Here H into nu minus nu naught. The given options are joules. How can calculate? Simply, so in this case, kinetic energy K equal to H into nu naught nu minus nu naught. Planck constant. We know Planck constant value X is there, joules there. Joules required. 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules. Nu given. Nu how much given? So nu given how much? 1 into 10 to the power 15. 1 into 10 to the power 15 minus 7 into nu naught given how much? 7 into 10 to the power 14. 7 into 10 to the power 14. Simply 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 1 into 10 to the power 15. Here 7 10 to the power 14. Here I am taking simply 110. So 10 into 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power 14 minus 7 into 10 to the power 14. Now okay na? Here after that I am taking 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 into I am taking here 10 to the power 14 common. 10 to the power 14 common means here 10 to the power 14 common means simply 10 to the power 14 common means 10 minus 7. 10 to the power 14 common. Okay, 10 minus 7 means 3. That means 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power 14 into 3. So 3 into 6.625 means 35 19.875. Sorry, 6.625 into 3 19.875 into 10 to the power minus 20. Simply I am taking 1.9875 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 1.98 is nothing but 1.988. So which option correct? So fourth option correct. Okay? So these are kinetic energy. Very easy, students. Formula very easy. The given threshold frequency given, frequency given. Threshold frequency symbol nu naught. Frequency means nu. We use so by using nu naught nu, we can calculate kinetic energy K equal to H nu minus H nu naught. H common. Nu minus nu naught. Okay. So calculated. So last answer 1.9 10 to the power minus 19. So write on the formula. Okay. So these are photoelectric effect concept. Okay. So photoelectric effect concept, my dear students. So these are important problems is there. Next class also I will give problems. After that I will start next concept. Okay, my dear students. Today enough. So remaining class tomorrow. Remaining class I will give you some more problems. After that I will start next concept. Okay, write down. Simple form of photoelectric effect, H nu equal to H nu naught plus K. Simple H nu equal to W plus K. Here K means kinetic energy. W means work function. Work function W equal to H nu naught. Okay? Okay, my dear students. Today enough. Remaining class tomorrow. Thank you for all.